Ever pondered the mysteries that lie in the vast expanse of the cosmos? There's one such enigma that has recently been unraveled, the curious case of the galaxy NGC 4632. Located a staggering 56 million light-years away from our home, this galaxy presents a peculiar sight that has left astronomers intrigued. The NGC 4632 galaxy was discovered by a team of diligent astronomers using the Australian Square Kilometre Array Pathfinder, otherwise known as the ASKAP radio telescope. But what makes this galaxy so special? Well, it's wrapped in a cosmic ribbon. This ribbon, a fascinating concoction of gas, dust, and stars, orbits the galaxy at a right angle to its spiral disk. This characteristic is a rarity, marking the first time a polar ring galaxy has been found to be so gas-rich. The origins of this ring are believed to be the result of a galactic collision. A smaller galaxy is thought to have collided with NGC 4632, causing it to tear apart and deposit its gas and stars in a ring around the larger galaxy. This is no ordinary ring, mind you. It spans about 100,000 light-years across, roughly the same size as our own Milky Way galaxy. And it's not just vast, it's heavy too, composed of about 10 billion solar masses of gas and dust. Polar ring galaxies such as NGC 4632 are the black sheep of the cosmic family, making up only about 1% of all galaxies. Their formation and evolution remain shrouded in mystery, their existence a cosmic riddle that astronomers are still working to solve. The discovery of NGC 4632 is a significant stride in our understanding of polar ring galaxies. It offers fresh clues about how these galaxies form and evolve. This knowledge was made possible by the ASKAP radio telescope, the world's largest radio telescope. The collision that formed the ribbon is thought to have occurred about 1 billion years ago, a testament to the enduring power of cosmic events. In conclusion, NGC 4632 serves as a reminder of the wonders of the universe and the mysteries that still await discovery. Each new finding peels back a layer of the cosmic onion, revealing a universe that is far more complex and beautiful than we could have ever imagined. The discovery of NGC 4632 is not just a step forward in our understanding of polar ring galaxies, but a leap forward in our understanding of the universe itself.